Welcome to one of the tourist spots here in Cebu City. You will not miss it. This is in Temple of Leah. Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone's doing amazing. Viva Pizzinyor, guys. In the next few days, Sinulog is here in the Philippines. And you know what? I think it's been like 420th time that we are celebrating Sinulog. So that's very exciting. Okay. By the way, we are starting this vlog by cleaning my silver play button. This is my silver play button, guys. It is presented to meljeansolon for passing 100,000 subscribers. And as you guys can see, it is now very dusty. So that only means it's been here with me for quite a while now. Well, I received this silver play button in the year 2022, which was after Typhoon Odette. And guys, this only means that we have to have an upgrade already. I've been waiting for the gold one, so I'll take this opportunity to invite everybody to subscribe to the channel because I think we are due for an upgrade. So guys, all you have to do, if you're using your cell phone, you can see a subscribe button just beside my name, meljeansolon. In every video, you guys can see a subscribe button over there. Well, if you want to not miss any of my videos, I think subscribing to the channel would be a good thing, and it would mean the world to me if you guys will subscribe. Every time I do have a meeting with my YouTube manager, he would always remind me about inviting you guys in every video to say to subscribe to the channel, because you know what, whenever we check my analytics, it has always been 40% of you guys that are not subscribed to the channel. And I do understand, because I know that some of you are watching on TV, but if you have your mobile cell phone or if you have access to any computer, all you have to do is to log in with your Gmail account, go to YouTube, and from there, you can make me happy by just subscribing so we can reach 1 million subscriber. I know we still have a long way to go, but one act of subscribing can get us there, okay? So if you guys want to help me achieve that dream of getting the silver play button, please subscribe and ask your friends, your families to subscribe to the channel, okay? I don't really say this often, but I see a lot of vloggers will start their vlogs by inviting their viewers to subscribe to the channel. It's just not my thing to like always say, guys, subscribe, you know? But I have to do it, I know, yeah? So that we could grow our family. Well, to be honest, the number of subscribers doesn't really matter when it comes to, you know, your earnings or revenue on YouTube, but when you work with brands, this is what they look into. They would always look at the numbers, and of course, when you have more subscribers, that means you will get more views, because every people that will subscribe to your channel will be notified whenever you upload a video. So more chances of getting views in your vlogs. So guys, subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. And let's turn this silver into gold. Okay, where's Kuhanye? Kuhanye, he's right here, guys. Look, he's fixing the sink here in the bathroom because it's leaking. I think it's the bottom of the sink. It's leaking. Maybe it's the silicone or something. So he's fixing that. Is it that one, honey? Is it that one that's leaking? This thing? Ah. Look how hot it is in the countryside, guys. Very hot. It is 30 degrees Celsius currently. Let's see here inside. What's happening? Where is the leak coming from? So see, he has the right tools now. He got this wrench, the orange one, that he can use to remove the pipe, so it's a lot quicker. And this is the situation at the bottom of the sink here in the bathroom. So we got the connection. So that pipe is for the output of the water coming out of the house. So I think that's the one that's leaking. Let's see how will Robbie fix that one. Maybe he just needs to put the silicone. Silicone is right here. Okay guys, we are suited up. We have the hat on. We're gonna jump in mommy's bike. Okay, because we are going to the pigs. Ta-da! It is very hot, 30 degrees Celsius. The kids are here. They're putting on the banderitas because it is now gonna be fiesta here in our little countryside. Oh. Okay, so we have our pig farm over there, guys. It has a very nice view, so we're going there. See, it's very, very close to us. And we don't need helmet, okay? Because that's a 2-second drive. Oh, it's not even 1 minute. Okay, mommy's there. Now we're gonna go to the pig farm. So we do have the pig farm actually, and mommy has been the one taking care of it. So feeding it every single day, breakfast, lunch, dinner. And now one of the mommy pigs gave birth, I think it was about 2 days ago. So mom is the doctor in giving the birth. I think they just gave birth on their own. I'm not very sure. Dira di agyanan? Okay. Hi. Okay, let's go there. So, this is where it is. Normally, if you have a piggery, guys, it should be far from where the people are living, yeah? Because it could smell. Razzle's house is over there. Can you see? Okay, let's go. It's very hot right now. It's 3 p.m. And let's see how many piglets are there. So this is the way going to the piggery, guys. You have to cross a little river. Look, there's some water in there. And I can hear the pigs. Where? And I can smell the pig. Ogoy! Luyog ko, gihiktan lagi. I cannot show this one to you guys. The mommy pig is tired. Okay, where's the little ones, man? Okay guys, so the piglets are in here. Mom put a little lamp over there so they can have like a light, especially at night. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 little piglets. They're so small. This other one is the smallest. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So whenever they wanna ask for milk, guys, they're gonna go to this little hole over there. So mom had to make them a room like this so that the mommy pig will not step on them. Because when the mommy pig steps on them, OMG, bad thing is gonna happen. So they're gonna go here in this little opening, and then they're gonna go to the mommy pig. The mommy pig looks so tired. I cannot show this to you. He looks very tired. She looks very tired. But those are the little pigs. Okay guys, so mommy is now giving them some water because they're so loud now. They're very thirsty. So this is the mommy pig. So they actually have to put them on the leash, okay? So that they don't run away. They're gonna jump in the fence. Oh, look at this. The mommy pig is very thirsty, guys. So we have another one over here. This one is a male Peppa Pig. That one, look at the mommy pig. She just gave birth 2 days ago. Very thirsty. Ay. So we have one mommy pig over there. This one is a male one. And then this one, another big one here. Unsa ni me? Bye-bye? So this one is another male pig, guys. Very big. Look at this. Very big one. He's looking for the water as well. Oy. So loud they are. They're very loud. Oy! Dobra! Agoy! Hoy! Dobra! Oh my gosh, they're so loud. Imagine. Ay! Niema! Okay, they're now quiet, guys. This other one. Oy! Oy! They're drinking na. The voda. My gosh, very thirsty, huh? My gosh, look at this, guys. Oh, he's drinking a lot. Drinking a lot of water, this one. Oh, you're done na. Okay, can we have some peace and quiet, guys? Oh, we're gonna give you lagi. Oh. Now, wala ni kaon. Oh. I'm giving them the feeds. Just in the hand. Oh. Look. Oy, do not bite me, ha? Another one over here. Oh. Huh? Oy, they're eating na. So this is how it is when you have pig farm in the countryside. It's so loud. Can you be quiet, guys? I'm gonna give you mommy pig. Oh, there. Oy. Look at them. Now, see? Oh, they're very quiet na. That's what they want. They just want food. Ay, scramble. If you give them food, they're very quiet because their mouths are full. Their mouth is full, guys. Oh, see? We have some peas. Diba, pig? Mommy pig? Over here. Another one here. Where is it? Where are you, pig? Oh, there. And then mommy pig over there just gave birth. Then we have another. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pila ni ka mommy pig di ay? So we have 3 mommy pigs and 2 male pigs. Yeah. So every time they give birth, mom will sell them, yeah? So this is how the piggery business we have in the countryside. Oy. Oh, see? They're quiet na, guys. Oy. Oy. Hi. Oh, see? Very quiet na. Oh, they're looking for more food. So this is what you do to the lechon, guys, yeah? This is how it is. What are you looking at? Huh? You want more? Wala, nang gawas ang mga kuwan. Oh. Guys, the little piglets are coming out. Look. I think they need some milk from the mommy. Agoy, they're so small, guys. Imagine if the mommy pig will step on them. That's it. Awa. Basig batumba ni. Nangitag tutoy man eh. Yame, nangitag tutoy. Alright, guys. So these 2 mommy pigs over here are pregnant. So this one, first mommy pig is pregnant. The other mommy pig over there is pregnant as well. So they're gonna give birth. Kanong saman me? This month? They're gonna give birth this month as well, guys. So this mommy pig there is gonna give birth first, and then this one is second. The tummy is not looking very big actually, so maybe there's not many little. Oh, this one. Huy, grabe. So this mommy pig gives birth up to 15 babies. Hoy, kasapa ba nimo? This one gives birth up to 15 babies. 1-5. Imagine that. Yeah. 15 babies, guys. So we have to feed this mommy pig a lot. And then this one's giving birth soon. Oh. And this one? Ah, this is the father of the pigs. So this is the dad. And mommy is going to raise this as the male papa pig. Male father pig. Peppa pig, yeah? Because this one is a male. Oh. Ah, kani? Lahi lagi color. So this is how it is in our piggery, guys. This is our little piggery business in the countryside. Oh yes, you want more food? Uy.
Going to the market, I need to get birthday.
Hello, guys. We are here in Temple of Leah. Entrance fee is 150 pesos. You will be given this
Per
wristband.
person.
Per person, yeah. $3. You will be given this wristband. Okay. What was that?
Wallet.
And we are
Oh,
here.
like in London.
Oh my gosh. It has been a long time since I came here. They've been doing a lot of construction. Oh, see? Crazy. Last time I was here, the entrance was only 50 pesos, guys. And now, 150
Now
pesos.
54 car park.
Car park only. Look, they're building something there.
Park anywhere here then.
Huh? Where do we park?
Nobody there now.
Yeah. Hello everybody! Welcome to one of the tourist spots here in Cebu City. You will not miss it. This is in Temple of Leah. Again, entrance fee guys is 150 pesos. The concept of Temple of Leah guys is actually just like the Taj Mahal in India. So he built this temple for his late wife named Leah. Alright guys, so from my back, I think you guys can see how huge the columns are. This actually reminds me of Rome. I think that's the peg of Temple of Leah. It has a Roman-like design, and they actually have a cafe right in front. I think they built this one recently, and it's very good, big. The column, look. Oh my god, you cannot even hug it one person. It's very nice. I think some people would come here to do like a prenup shoot or a debut shoot. Hello guys, we're still here inside the Temple of Leah. They've actually opened 24 chambers. Here there are rooms like this where they store their souvenirs from their travels before. So again, Temple of Leah was built for his undying love for his beloved wife Leah. My friend Leah, where are you? She's coming home soon guys. Is it nice, honey?
I like it.
Yeah, very nice. And especially how everything is made. Look, it's made very well, as what Robbie said. It's made of, what is this, honey? Quartz? Quartz? No. Natural stone. Yeah, it is very strong and sturdy, guys. And it's very good. Here they are, yeah? I think this is them. He is actually an engineer, so he built this one for his wife. This is Leah. Very good. So many people here, you know, because this is part of the tourist spots, the tours, if you go to the tours in Cebu. Very good.
What are you doing?
I am reading this brochure that we got from DJI for the DJI Flip. Guys, this is an all-in-one vlog camera drone, and I think it's a very good drone, especially for me. And it actually folds like this, and I really like it because it's very small. At the same time, it can follow me. For example, when I'm just like going outside alone and I want the drone to follow me, it will follow me. So that's a very good feature. This they just released the other night, and it's very good. Guys, so earlier we actually met at the Nessa and Temple of Leah. Actually, we met two subscribers. First was Gilbert from Las Vegas. Hi, thanks so much for saying hi. Next was Ate Nessa. Oh, guys, if you've been an OG on the vlog, then I guess you might know that Ate Nessa went here at home. That was 2 years ago during Scarlett's birthday, and she went with her two lovely, beautiful daughters, and we had like lechon, we were eating here and all that. So yeah, we met her there, and oh, I really love her energy. Very.
Yes, don't record me.
So.
She has more energy than two of us together.
Yeah.
Maybe more than actually the whole countryside.
Oh my gosh. Robbie and I were just laughing the entire time. She invited us for dinner, so we went to La Vie in the Sky. They were following us in their car. And yeah, we were just talking like during dinner and laughing a lot. Oh, Ate Nessa, we love you. Very nice. Thank you so much for the lovely dinner at La Vie in the Sky. So yeah, Temple of Leah was very good. Robbie would want to go back there when the weather is nice. It's good actually if you go there like 4 p.m. when it's still bright and then the sun goes down. You can see the lights turn on. And it's good to take photos. We're gonna go back there, and I wanna like wear a dress because it's good when you wear a dress because you would like feel like you're in Italy because of the nice columns and you know how the building was built. It's very strong and sturdy, and yeah, it's just very nice, especially with the statues that they have there. There's two lions in the front. Robbie took a very nice picture of me there, but I didn't like what I was wearing because I thought it was gonna be cold, you know. Anyway, guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so we can upgrade to the gold button. I know we're still far away from that, but a little goes a long way. And I hope you guys will have a great night. And don't forget to smile and be happy. Okay, bye.